Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutor Tracks. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of Pinterest. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about Pinterest, from creating boards to using Pinterest for business. We get it all covered, so let's get started. Pinterest is a visual discovery engine where you can find ideas like recipes, home and style inspirations, and more. With billions of pins on Pinterest, you'll always find ideas to spark inspiration. You can also create your own pins to share your ideas with others. First things first, let's create an account. Go to pinterest.com or download the application. Click on sign up and fill up your details. You can sign up with your email or use your Google or Facebook. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your home feed. Your home feed is where you see pins from the people and boards you follow. It's also where Pinterest will suggest pins based on your interests. Scroll through and click on any pin to see more details or to save it to one of your boards. Now let's talk about creating and organizing boards. Boards are a collection of pins. You can create a board for any topic and save pins to it. To create a board, click on your profile, then click the Create Board button. Give your board a name and start saving pins to it. You can make your boards public or secret. Adding pins is easy. Use the search bar at the top to look for ideas on any topic. You can type in keywords or use the camera icon to search using an image. When you find a pin you like, click on it and then click Save to add it to one of your boards. You can also create your own pins. Click on the plus button and select Create Pin. Upload an image, add a title, description, and the destination link. You can also choose which board to save it to. This is a great way to share your own ideas and content with the Pinterest community. With the business account, you can access Pinterest Analytics to see how your pins are performing. You can track metrics like impressions, saves, clicks, and more. This helps you understand what content resonates with your audience and how to improve your strategy. Pinterest also offers advertising options. You can promote your pins to reach a wider audience. Promoted pins appear in the home feed, search categories, and category feeds, and they look just like regularly pins but reach more people. This can drive more traffic to your website and increase your brand's visibility. To get the most out of Pinterest, here are some best practices. Use high-quality image. Add detailed descriptions with keywords. Pin consistently and at optimal times. Engage with other users by liking, commenting, and repinning their content. Keep your boards organized and updated. That's a wrap on your Pinterest tutorial. Whether you're using Pinterest for personal inspiration or to grow your business, these tips will help you to make the most out of the platform. Don't forget to like, comments, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips from Tutor Tracks. Thanks for watching and happy painting!